First step to manipulating your Excel report data is to go ahead and delete column A. Next, go ahead and select rows 1 through 13 and delete those as well. Deleting these unnecessary rows and columns is just going to make manipulating your data a whole lot easier. On your Excel report, you'll see columns for student ID, student first name, student last name, the date they took the test, their class number, their academic risk index, and of course the 6 resiliency skills. You can choose to sort your data a number of ways. First, make sure you have all your data selected, then click on the Sort button. You'll usually want to use the Custom Sort option. And say we want to see how many of the students have an academic risk index and to what degree. First, make sure you have My List Has Headers box selected, since we do have headers. Then go ahead and sort by cell color. Next, it'll ask you to choose which column you want to organize, and let's go ahead and choose Academic Risk Index, and let's put the darkest purple on top. Once we go ahead and click OK, you'll see that all the dark purple boxes are now organized up at the top of our list. We want to see all of our at-risk index students, so let's go ahead and add another sort option to this. Again, click Cell Color, sort by Academic Risk Index, that's the column we want, and go ahead and select the light purple, and then what that's going to do is that's going to put the light color purple right under the dark color. So now we have it organized with our students with the highest academic risk index at the top, followed by our students with the next highest academic risk index. If we want to sort our data a different way, we can remove the sort options we've already placed on it by highlighting them and clicking the Subtract button. Now we'll go ahead and add some different parameters. If we wanted to see which students needed more help in the connections skill, we could sort that column by clicking on Sort by Cell Color, sort by the connections column, and then we want to see the red students at the top, so select the red cell. What this will do is put all the students who had an at-risk score in the connections skill at the top of your list. If we want it descending so that the students who had an intermediate score come next, then we can go ahead and sort the same column and then put the yellow box. Now you'll see all your students in the connection column are going to be organized from the students who need the most help, maybe need some of those targeted interventions, all the way down to the students who were in the success profile. Sorting your data these ways will allow you to easily create small groups or identify students who need one-on-one interventions